stop filming, please?
No, not going to stop filming.
You cannot film without our permission.
Oh, rubbish. I am filming you. Boo-hoo. Are you afraid of a camera? So, some bad guys in this place. Peter Sutcliffe, remember him? He was the Yorkshire Ripper. 20 life sentences, I think he got. And also Ian, I think it's Ian Hunter. He was the caretaker that killed the two 10-year-olds not too many years ago. Also, the former president of Liberia, he was done for war crimes against humanity, and he got a 50-year sentence, and he's located in this place. Can you believe it? Charles Manson, another fella. So, Davey, this one's for you, mate.
Right, the police are on the way.
Radio.
You shouldn't be filming it. This is all prison property.
No, it's not. This is public property. It's public property.
To that curb there is prison property, so...
Are you familiar with the Criminal Justice Act, mate? Section 33 of the Criminal Justice Act gives me the right to be on this footpath. Right? And the cops, you're going to get an education today. You're going to get an education. Stop filming. I'm not one of your prisoners, mate. I'm a free citizen. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you, we're wearing a different hat today, so I'll show it to you now. It's a Nepali Topoli or Dhaka Topi. Hang on, I'll show it to you. Not sure if you can see it there yet. Yeah, there we go. Right, so the coffers are on the way, eh? Let's see about that then.
Are you going to take your mask off?
No, not required to. I won't talk to you anymore. You're boring me.
Right, okay then. Bye.
They tell you they're not coming.
Oh, they are coming.
Are they? Yeah, well, there's not bugger all they can do, mate.
Are you waiting for him?
Yeah, of course I am. I'm not going to leave now. I'm going to have a bit of fun when we get here. And you're going to get an education today. Free of charge. Yes, an education on public rights. Prison. Prison. So the coffers are on their way. And we'll see what happens when they get here. I hope they get here soon, because the wind is getting a bit nippy, to be honest. When I had this mask on earlier, there's a lot of condensation build up in it, and I forgot to wipe it off, so I'm bloody freezing. My face is cold, like. So. Don't film me. Yeah. As I was driving down here, just next to this building is another lockup facility. It's like a remand centre. Tatty, the old Union Jack. So a bit out in the country, so I was thinking about that, you know, earlier. I was thinking, oh shit, you know, it's going to be a few minutes before the cops get here, because it is a few miles in the country, and I wouldn't imagine unless there's someone on the main A road, like a traffic cop or something, it might be travelling from some distance. Total waste of time for him or her, whatever. Oh, here we go. Another goon. Let's have a look.
Can you just move off prison property, sir?
This ain't prison property, mate.
It is.
This is a... Hey, section. Don't touch me.
This is prison
Don't touch
property.
me. Not in.
This is prison property. This
No,
side, that side's not. This side
No,
is. It is.
You need to read up on your laws, mate.
It is. It is.
Well, hey, don't
Please.
get that close to me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get out of my personal space. Get out of my personal space.
Shout at me.
I'll shout at you. You won't. Don't feel threatened.
You won't.
Harass the land and...
You won't.
Go away.
I'm not in your personal
Yeah,
space.
well, get away. Get away.
Not in your personal space.
Get away.
I'm not coming any
Section
closer.
33
I'm not coming any
of the
closer.
criminal
there.
the Criminal Justice Act gives me every single right to be here.
Not on prison property.
It's not prison property. It's public property.
Well, when the police come, they'll tell you.
Yeah, right on.
Police are on the way.
Yeah, well, get away from me. You got no business coming up to me. Get away from me.
I'm on my workplace.
Oh,
property.
go away. Go and do some work then.
No.
You stopping us doing that?
Rubbish. Bunch of thugs. Who the bloody hell do you think you are? You control in there, not out here.
If you don't want to talk to me, you don't have to talk to me.
No, I'm not. No. Look at him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 thugs. You go back inside. Stop harassing the public.
You're on prison property.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you're.
No, I'm not.
You're.
Yeah, right on. Where's the sign saying private property? Come on, where's the signs? It's public property. That's the sign there. No, get lost. Get lost. Who do you think you are? You bully and beat up the people in there, not out here. How about you tell the BBC when they come out here? When they stand right here and right up to the door?
No, you don't. You're wrong there.
Yeah, right.
You're wrong.
Yeah,
BBC are told to go to the side of the road, which they do.
yeah,
Every time.
yeah. So look guys, here's where how taxpayer money goes. Sad bunch of kids.
You off you, not you.
No, it was Amazon actually, £4. Yeah.
Just realised you've got a mask on. Last Halloween now, and I'll take it off.
There you go. Got every legal right to wear it, mate. That's where you're wrong. You're all going to get an education. Eh? What am I here for? Because I want to be. Because I've got freedoms.
You're right, you don't have to explain why you're here, but you do if you're doing it on prison property.
Oh, go
which
away.
you were.
Go away.
Opposite side of the road isn't
Oh, go away.
property.
Go and do some work.
If you were over there, we wouldn't be having this discussion.
Rubbish,
It's quite clear.
rubbish. You're all
Go over the
paranoid.
side of the road and see them.
Aye.
Okay.
You're saying right there and you're going to go back in here?
That isn't prison property.
This isn't prison property, mate. Well, I'll challenge the cop when he gets here.
I've
Yeah.
explained you it is.
Yeah, yeah.
You're not prepared to listen.
Yeah.
We'll just wait till the police come.
I think the police scare me. No, they don't.
But you'll die soon.
Nah, got 2 hours and I got hours and hours on my GoPro anyway.
Why do you want to fill up the jail then?
Well, in case if you really want to know, I could tell you. You know, if you come out here and be pretty civil instead of coming out here bullying, trying to demand that I get away off public property, I'm doing what they call a freedom audit. Right? This is what we do. There's a bunch of photographers that do this because we're sick and tired of getting harassed by paranoid cops, paranoid public, mostly cops, and so this is what we do. We do audits. We want the cops to come because I'll challenge the cop when he gets here. Tries to violate my rights, it's not going to happen.
Why are you covering your face then?
Because I can do, it's perfectly legal.
I'm just asking you why though.
Well, why would I want to show my face? I don't need to. The cop will take a picture of me, go on the PNC, you know, put my face on their database. You know.
Well, you will if you lift, yeah.
It's not going to happen, mate. Not going to happen. So where's the copper coming from? Local or?
You don't need to know that, do you? You're not interested in anything we've got to say, so just
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah. Oh, no. Hey, swearing like that, that's a public order offence, you know that, don't you?
Talking
Hey?
about me? He's talking about
I got it on camera.
Right, he's talking about me?
Yeah, you swear in public as a public order offence. It's caused me harassment, alarm and distress. I will be reporting that when the cop arrives.
Are you expecting the cops to turn up then?
Well, you said you called them, so I'm waiting. I'm not going to run away from them.
Are you planning on going anywhere, like?
Sorry?
Are you planning on going anywhere?
Not until the cop comes. Most of the time they just say go back inside and don't worry about it.
One question I'm asking. What is the point of this? Yeah? What is the point?
Getting an audience. Right guys, I'm going to put this in 2 parts, so I'm going to turn it back on when the coppers get it.